Hey guys, this is Jared. Here's a profile pop-up for Ramakrishnan with a few quick tips because you've got seconds to make first impressions. So taking a look here, I would highly suggest a more professional picture. You can even remove the background, but that's not going to be enough because of the attire that you're wearing. And you've got a little bit of a busy background here, but it's kind of cool that it says today. But see, I didn't notice that until I just zoomed in on it. Now, the bigger question is, if I'm looking for you and I'm doing a search, your name is already a little bit long, but notice we only see about the first 3 to 5 words, depending on what you've got in there, in your headline. CAD engineer at. Now, when I see that at wording, it tells me you've got the default position at the default company, or the current company, I should say. So you've got a default of the current position, current title at your current company. And that's not doing a whole lot for you to help get you found. Even more important, or not more, but just as important, if I go in here into the jobs, it takes a second to load, but notice you don't have any details in here. And when you have a title in here that was like less than a month or so, all of it says is summer intern, and no explanation of what it was you did. That's not really adding any value for us, so we're not able to see what it is that you are going to offer. So also you've got your education here, grade A, that's good to point that out. Tons of licenses and certifications, that's also very good, and that's going to help you get found. But the biggest thing that's probably going to help you, I'm not a fan for having resumes attached, but if I open up your About section, notice there's hardly anything in here. You're repeating the word about me when you're already in the About section. You don't need to say that, and worse, we only see the first couple lines. When I open it up, there isn't anything more in there. You've got all this great content in this attached CV, but another key point here, CV may look great, but it's not going to pass an ATS. I hope you realize that. And also, with all that detail that's in there, get that detail into every section that you can within LinkedIn, especially in your current position. And most important is the title, the current job title. The titles that you're looking for should hopefully be reflected in the current title that you have. That will help you get found, or even in past titles. That helps get you found the most. Now you've got skills here. You've only got a total of 18, I see. Add more skills and remove the competition that I see here at the bottom. Anyway, that's about enough for now. If you guys want more details, add comments below and we'll talk about it. Hope that helped. Thanks, Ramakrishnan. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.